In a sun-dappled forest lived Ricky the monkey, who loved exploring more than anything else. One warm, bright morning, he spotted a glint of cool metal peeking out from under the roots of an ancient gnarled oak tree. He scraped away crumbly loose dirt with his tiny sharp paws and tugged free a small, shiny, polished brass key. Burning with curiosity about what it could unlock, he followed a narrow, mossy path, winding uphill through tall, thick, green ferns. Before long, he found a dented, locked wooden box tucked tight under a fallen, rotting log. Ricky inserted his key. It turned with a soft, satisfying clip. He lifted the lid to find dozens of plump, colourful seeds wrapped in smooth wax paper. Ricky ran straight back to the forest, clearing and split every seed evenly among all his animal friends. They took turns digging holes and planted the seeds along the clearing's sunlit edge. A month later, a bright, beautiful garden bloomed there, full of red poppies, blue cornflowers, and sunny yellow daisies. Everyone crowded around Ricky, thanking him again and again for his kind, generous heart.